So here we are left with the two questions that we want to analyze, right? So here we have this, how the holidays are affecting the demand. Is the demand more on holidays or is it low on the holiday? Okay. And what is the condition on your working days? So we'll see that. So let's go down. And here we have our data and we have this, your holiday feature, right? That we want to analyze now, right? We have this holiday. So here 0 means there was no holiday, 1 means there is holiday. So let's see. Here we will again write sns.bar plot, sns.bar plot, and here we will write data, or I can just give x is going to be our holiday and our y is going to be, so y equals to the count. Then we have comma, data equals to data. And at the end we will add PLT dot. So now you can add the title and all that. Okay. So here if you see this holiday, you have somewhere around 50-50. You're not sure whether this holiday is going to affect your demand or not, right? So here if you see, you got around 200 something, right? Around 180, right? So these bar are somewhat same, right? You're not sure whether this holiday is going to affect your demand or not, right? So what we can do is, again we can plot it using your weekday. So here we'll just write, paste it, and here we'll just write weekday. So I hope there is column, I think there is column. So let's take, okay, we have working day, not weekday. So here we'll just write working day. And run this. Okay. So this is your working days. Again, you cannot actually say whether this working day or non-working day is going to affect your count of the bike rentals or not. It's somewhere around 50-50, right? You have 50% where they're going to have one, that means they are going to rent a bike, and your non-working day you have same count. We cannot actually say that actually it is going to affect, right? So we are not sure about that. So here we have identified this holiday and working day are not at all going to affect the count of your bike rentals. What about if we add some hue here? Okay. What about if we add some hue? Let's say in different seasons, comma, hue equals to, here we are going to add your different season. So we will add season or different weather condition. Okay. So here we are going to run it. Now here you have in different season, right? So this is your blue one is for season 1, right? So here you have 0 and here we have 1, correct? So in season, here if you see when it is holiday, it is always, it is again somewhat same distribution in both the condition, right? Holiday or non-holiday. Here again I'm going to add comma, hue equals to, let's say we add season, and let's run it. Okay. So here again if you see this bar are somewhat same, right? So we cannot actually infer. We cannot actually say that it is going to be less or more, right? What about if I just copy it and instead of giving season, we give hue equals to, let's say, weather condition. So let's paste it, and here I'm going to change this as weather condition. So weather, let's run it. Okay. So here you have this weather. Here this is working day or not. On x-axis we have 0, that means it is not non-working day, and we have 1, that means it is a working day. Okay. And this color 1 represent your weather 1. This bar, your color yellow represent weather 2, green represent 3, and your red represent 4. So during your, when it is off, you see that it states that there is no weather 4 in your non-working days, right? When it is off, right? We are not able to see that. Maybe the information is missing, or maybe there is no working, there is no off, right, on your weather force. That's really rare, right? So here we can compare that. This is your blue graph, and blue represent your weather one, right? So they are again somewhat same. If you compare on working and non-working day, this is represent your weather two. So again, it is somewhat same, right? So we cannot actually say that. We cannot actually say that the working and non-working days are going to affect the count of your bikes, right? So this is your part of data analysis, where you try to analyze your data, try to find out and interpret the graphs, try to summarize your data. I hope you have learned many things from this project that we have done on bike sharing data analysis. And here, when you go to build any kind of model, or you can go to your manager and you can say that this working and non-working days are not going to be essential for you to take into account. So whether you cannot predict by working and non-working day the demand of your bikes, be it in different season or be it in different weather conditions, right? So here, and we have done this, we have also identified that there is no, actually there is little relationship between your temperature and the bike rental count, right? And here you see that in which season the count is more, and here we have seen during which hour of the day the demand is more, right? So I hope you have learned many things from this tutorial, and you are going to apply that on your own data set.
Congratulations on completing the project. So here in this section, you have learned how to set up the question and how to proceed with the data analysis and present your findings. Now you should be confident enough to analyze any data set, the question, and then present the findings. So go ahead and take up a project of your own, torture your data enough that you get everything out of it.